Running a wholesale business the traditional way is so frustrating. I'm tired of dealing with all the hassle and paying high commissions to third-party e-commerce platforms.
Hey there. Are you looking for a better way to run your wholesale business?
Yes, I'm tired of the traditional way and all the hassle of third-party platforms.
Omnitouch is here to help. We're a B2B omnichannel commerce solution specifically designed for manufacturing and distribution businesses. With Omnitouch, you can easily set up an online store in just a few clicks and start generating more revenue. Plus, our platform makes it simple to create a digital catalog of your products and share it privately with your dealers and retailers via WhatsApp, email, or other online platforms. One of our satisfied customers was able to convert orders more efficiently by using the digital catalog. Omnitouch has helped him compete with his online competitors and he's seeing increased revenues. Don't miss out on the benefits of Omnitouch. Sign up for a free trial at www.omnitouch.in and see how it can revolutionize the way you do business. Try Omnitouch today and start growing your wholesale business.